Hey everyone, how'd you like to go for a virtual test drive in this gorgeous Chevelle Pro Touring convertible? 454, upgraded suspension and brakes and custom interior, lots of cool stuff. Overdrive transmission, power seat, all new power window system. Let's start it up. Not warmed up yet. I just pulled it out of the showroom. Nice set of gauges. They light up with white LED so that it is charging. Gas gauge works. Tach works. Temperature is still at 100 because it's just not warmed up yet. 50 pounds oil pressure. It's got electric slides for the new air conditioning instead of cables. Power top works. Touchscreen stereo system with DVD, video, navigation capabilities. Wipers work. It's a tilt wheel. Yeah, real nice sound. All right, let's go do this. The full presentation of this car is at volocars.com. That's where you'll get all the specs and pricing and photos of this and a few hundred other collector cars that are all for sale. This is just the driving portion of our presentation. So if you want to know more about the car, see what it looks like, visit volocars.com. My wife drove this in a parade that lasted 2 to 3 hours, and she absolutely loved it. Sincerely, her and my daughter both took it out and they both raved about it. Must have a little bit of a shift kit. It shifts nice and firm. And of course, it's the overdrive, which means you get out on the highway, you want to go cruise somewhere, it'll just cruise real nicely. Got a little stiffer suspension. It's got big wheels. I think they're 20-inch wheels. So I'm not saying it rides rough, but it's got more of a firm, stiff ride. But what you get in return is it handles more like a sports car. Temperature does work. You can see it's just starting to come up now. Let's see what it does. That was just giving it a little kick in the pants. That was not holding it to the floor. Accelerates real nice, and you know what? I wasn't scared, not one bit. It's straight. Got one hand on the wheel. Now, this road is horrible, and It handles even this road really well. It just got everything I would want to go cruising in a car. It's got comfort, stereo, air, all these upgrades. It's got that muscle car sound, and it get up and go like a bat out of hell, but yet you want to go cruise with it. It'll do that too. I'm really impressed. When I drive a car for the first time, I don't know what to expect. Some of them are scary. You gotta hold on with both hands on the wheel. I was getting on this thing and realized I was comfortable as can be. No hands on the wheel. It's set up nice. It'll get up and go, and yet it'll cruise. So visit volocars.com if you have any interest in this car or seeing a couple hundred other collector cars that are all for sale. But I guess for once I would have to agree with my wife. She called this one right. It's a great car. I told her she's driving a car in a parade. Kind of like, oh great, what you putting me in? Her and my daughter. And at the end of the parade, they loved it. Thanks for watching. Visit volocars.com.